If you're old, thank you guys for coming back. Don't forget to welcome Majada Marby. Make sure you go ahead hit that. Babe, stop now! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. And if you're old, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my many videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, as you guys can see, I'm back to the natural hair. Yeah? You like it like this? You like it like this? Or you prefer it like this? Comment down below how you like the hair, which one you prefer. Alright, for today's video, I will be telling you guys my top favorite Jamaican food that I enjoy to eat. Alright, now, so to start off the top 10 food when me like to eat, I'm gonna start off with, probably wanna think about this already, have the answer to it already, but it will be ackee and salfish. Yes, Jamaican national dish. The good old ackee, the little salfish in it. No matter how much salfish in it, it's still good enough for me. So yes, that's number one. Ackee and salfish. I love my ackee. So when ackee is not in season, I'm having issues wondering when ackee will be back in season, and all of them something there. Number two, rundown mackerel. If you never have rundown mackerel, then I don't know what you do. What are you really doing? Rundown mackerel is like, it's the bomb. I would say I love rundown mackerel. Give me rundown mackerel with some boiled dumpling and some green banana on the side. I just love rundown mackerel, especially when they make it with the coconut powder. It is everything that take life completely. Listen, make sure you go ahead and try some rundown mackerel if you never have it before. Number three on the list, I love some chicken cheese patty. Juicy beef, tasty mothers. Anyone you go to, you will get some nice juicy chicken cheese patty. I heard about chicken cheese patty from many vlogs ago that Petite Sue dropped back about 2 years ago, and from then I went and tried out the chicken cheese patty. I'm gonna tell you, say, chicken cheese patty, me never turning back from chicken cheese patty. It's like curry chicken in it with the cheese, and you know all that good stuff. You know, I'll definitely include pictures of it right over here. Yeah. Number four and is some good old steamed fish. I like my good old steamed fish. You know, when you go down at Sharkies and them you order your good old steamed fish and them give you little crackers, little bummy. Not even say down at Sharkies, like if you're a good chef or you can prepare your own thing and you prepare your own good old steamed fish at house. Listen, if you haven't checked out that video, it will be over here. Go ahead, hit the card. Are over here, one of them. I don't remember which part really, but go ahead and check out that video. The card will give you the link up here or up here, and go check out that video on how we prepare steamed fish at home. Listen, steamed fish, you can't go wrong with steamed fish. If you go somewhere and you see them have many different options of fish and you wonder what to take steamed fish. Steamed fish can never go wrong. You can never go wrong when you order steamed fish when you go somewhere that they are selling steamed fish. We're at number five. Number five, any day, anytime, give me some nice ripe plantain. Fried plantain to be exact. I love my fried plantains, especially on Sunday dinners. Oh my god, just give me the little rice, the little whatever meat we're having, and outside I'll take the ripe plantain. Take it any day over anything else. Number six, we're gonna add to that the green plantain. I love fried pressed green plantain for breakfast. Listen, green plantain, it's nothing like the ripe plantain. It's like, it's more of a, I wouldn't say banana chips taste, because banana chips is crunchy and green plantain is like, it's hard but soft with a little salt on it. I don't know how to explain it, that I know say it good. It good like breakfast stuff. And when you go to certain places and they're giving you side options, green plantain will be on the side sometimes, especially when you're ordering steamed fish. So Yeah. Number 6. Number 6 with that? Number 6? I think so. Number 6 is some fried breaded fruit. Oh my god. Fried bread fruit with little ackee beside it. Listen. Fried bread fruit with not too much salt, but it well crunchy and well, I was going to say well fried, but if it well crunchy, you know, say it well fried. You can't go wrong with fried bread fruit with some ackee and salfish. You can't go wrong with fried bread fruit and some good old rundown. Oh my god. All of the dishes that I'm telling you, them can combine together, you know. You're going to try ackee, get some breadfruit. You're going to try rundown, get some breadfruit. Good combination, can never go wrong. Right, number 7, bulla and pear. Now, some people will say them don't eat bulla, but whether you're country, you're American, you're townish, you're any culture at all, and you try bulla and pear, trust me, you never go back. You never go back. Them say bulla a dog food. That's what I heard. I don't know how true it is. Me never used to like bulla, but from the start eat bulla with pear. I tell you, it's just like a good country vibe that man telling you. Cause some nice, well juicy pear with a well done bulla. Whether it well done or it all or it, you know, the bulla and the pear, it just good together. Like like bulla and pear. People say them don't like bulla and pear, them prefer bulla, them prefer bread and pear. I can never have bread and pear and feel like how me feel when me consume bulla and pear. You know, them childhood days there, especially with that nice little cool bag juice on the side. Boy, good to go. Good to go. Number 8, banana fritters. I'm not gonna lie to you, no. I just recently get the vibe with banana fritters. Probably because I'm just really getting, but I don't know. Banana fritters, I haven't had banana fritters like in my childhood days. My mother never made banana fritters that I can remember. But probably about 3 months back, I got introduced to banana fritters. Hello, there's no turning back with the banana fritters. I just want to know that banana in the house, and I say, listen, a banana fritters I want, you know. But we eat banana fritters today, tomorrow, the day after. You can't get tired of banana fritters. Listen, banana you see how the recipe got to? It's like, I don't know. You probably think about when the recipe come along, you probably wonder for banana bread you make, but it's like so similar. Banana fritters, good banana fritters with some nice little franks on the side for your breakfast. Boy, you're good to go. Good to go. Number 9 now. Them call this the catchman food. I don't know how true it is. Me never use it and catch nobody. So I don't know how true it be for anybody out there who eat it before, but them call it the catchman food. So nobody say it here from me say the catchman food now, because I don't know how true it is. But the good old stew peas. Boy, give me like a stew peas and some nice little white rice. Like stew peas are nice with boiled dumpling and them something there. Like oh, it is good with the white rice. Stew peas without pigtail now is not any stew peas either, because why would you want to cook stew peas without pigtail? It's not gonna have a vibe. The vibe not gonna come from it. Listen, stew peas, pigtail, chicken foot, chicken back, chicken. You can add pork to it. You can add pork to it, I'm not sure. You can add pork to it? Yeah, pork to it. You can add beef to it, and you're good to go. Any meat once the pigtail is included, and when not cook it, make sure no kind of boil off the excess. So even though it's supposed to have like a salt taste, you know, you have to boil off like a salt after the pigtail. It can't too salt unless you plan to give somebody pressure instead of to catch them. Then you gotta think about the whole heap of salt. But you know, make sure boil look up the little salt, little excess salt off it before you go ahead and cook it like regular. Number 10 now. See, me not a 10 panelist. Number number 10 now. Listen, why? Them call this another thing, you know. Them a lot of things when I like them call them dog food. Listen, I don't know if it's the culture why them consider it to be dog food or what, but longer time I never used to like to consume turned cornmeal, but since I start college, nothing to me like some good old turned cornmeal well seasoned with some pack soap, some coconut powder, a little touch of sugar. You can add little gungo if a gungo season. You can add little red peas if a red peas is your choice to add to it. And you season it properly with your onion, your tomato, your carrot, anything you want to add to it. You can add green beans. You can add, listen, anything called season. You're skilling in your time. You just want to make sure that it has a nice sauce where you're going to throw the cornmeal in, so it have that nice taste. Turned cornmeal, boy, I tell you, nothing like that with especially some good curry chicken, like curry chicken, or you can say stew chicken, any type of meat you want to add. Mother say add any dry food, like any dry meat, like fried chicken. If you're gonna add fried chicken to turn cornmeal, then a throat business that you would depend, because if the fried chicken and no sauce, we are gonna eat the turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal dry, you know, so we are gonna have it with it. So make sure when you have it, you have some meat with sauce and gravy, something just to help to keep the turned cornmeal moist when you're consuming it. So yeah, guys can go ahead and try all the food them that you have never had that I mentioned in this video, and then when you try it, you can always come back and comment down below. And if you have tried them before, you can comment below right now and I'll go ahead and hit you up back with a reply. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want me to drop my top 10 favorite places to go in Jamaica, just comment down below also and I will think about it. Until then, thank you guys for watching. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.